Never, never, never give up. Time and money are largely interchangeable terms. Vengeance is the most costly and dissipating of luxuries. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. It is not in our power to anticipate our destiny. To improve is to change, so to be perfect is to change often. The price of the greatness is responsibility. I like pigs. Dogs look up to us. Cats look down on us. Pigs treat us as equals. When the eagles are silent, the parrots begin to jabber. You have enemies? Good. That means you've stood up for something in your life. The greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes. To build may have to be slow and laborious task of years. To destroy can be the thoughtless act of a single day. Out of intense complexities, intense simplicities emerge. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. It's also what it takes to sit down and listen. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. I never worry about action, but only about inaction. Continuous effort, not strength or intelligence, is the key to unlocking our potential. You must look at facts because they look at you. The empires of the future are the empires of the mind. Nourish your hopes, but do not overlook realities. To be really happy and really safe, one ought to have at least 2 or 3 hobbies, and they must all be real. It is a mistake to try to look too far ahead. The chain of destiny can only be grasped one link at a time. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. It's not enough that we do our best. Sometimes we have to do what's required. Evils can be created much quicker than they can be cured. We shape our dwellings, and afterwards our dwellings shape us. Success is the ability to go from one failure to another with no loss of enthusiasm. There is only one duty, only one safe course, and that is to try to be right and not to fear to do or say what you believe to be right. If we open a quarrel between the past and the present, we shall find that we have lost the future. It is better to be making the news than taking it, to be an actor rather than critic. The true guide of life is to do what is right. Tact is the ability to tell someone to go to hell in such a way that they look forward to the trip. You never can tell whether bad luck may not after all turn out to be a good luck. You must put your head into the lion's mouth if the performance is to be a success. Politics is not a game, it is an earnest business. The power of man has grown in every sphere, except over himself. Without a measureless and perpetual uncertainty, the drama of human life would be destroyed. I may be drunk, miss, but in the morning I will be sober, and you will still be ugly. Difficulties mastered are opportunities won. If we win, nobody will care. If we lose, there will be nobody to care. We shall show mercy, but we shall not ask for it. Solitary trees, if they grow at all, grow strong.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. And if there's any more code you would like to add, please leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to join our big family, so you won't miss out on any notes of codes. To share it to your friends so they can use the knowledge too. And until the next time, stay in knowledge mode.